And yo, I pause for the sake of the liquor, city slicker, 100 proof sip as my life's moving quicker. You know the mixture, paradise motion picture. Ice off the Richter, baby girl, take it with ya. I could get more, 5'11", walk like I'm 6'4", lock New York City like a picture. Everything I spit for is lavish. Crib with a couple of parrots, dashboard worth a couple of carrots. I gotta have it, not now but shit right now. I put my life down for this ops lifestyle. Good life mental, shit's been foul. Me, I rock rocks, each worth 10,000. I'm like the hottest in New York, baby, watch and learn. Around here we hold things, when they pop it burns. I'm a big money cat, I got a lot to earn. Till the stocks get big and my spots confirmed. Hold your hands high, niggas, we gon' get it all and take a chance, my niggas. All you gotta do is advance, my niggas. Can't die, niggas, here's the battle cry for my real live niggas. Hold your hands high, bitches, we gon' get it all and take a chance, my bitches. All you gotta do is advance, my bitches. Can't die, bitches, here's the battle cry for my real live bitches. I'm the 3-6 any weed mix, give me a cameo remix. I still a nigga shine like an eclipse. I grind when I need chips. Shit, my pop told my mom he gon' be sick. 5'10", weighing in 180, came to stake my claim. Cats already think gravy when you stake my name, so I don't spit it.